Hello, MC Jelly.
Hello, man breaking into my house. Do you have any idea where my fish went?
It's gone because of the jellyfish.
What?
The jellyfish, or Cyphozoa, are members of the Cnidarian phylum, a group of animals that also include coral, hydrozoas, and anemones, all animals that reproduce using polyps. Animals in this group have a life cycle of larvae that land and create copies of a more adult-like form, which in the case of jellyfish is the swimming medusa, which then produce more cloning larvae. The jellyfish are unique among cnidarians simply because they swim freely rather than being anchored to a surface. Jellyfish are also some of the most ancient animals on our planet, having appeared in the Cambrian era over 540 million years ago. The fossil record shows they're only beaten by other cnidarians and the most ancient animal, sponge. Jellyfish are made up of a jelly-like bell, a stomach or four, a set of tentacles, and light centers in some species as well. They are very simple animals. Despite their simple form, jellyfish are some of the most awe-inspiring creatures on this planet. For one, like all cnidarians, jellyfish has nematosis, stinging cells which release microscopic barbs at contact with another organism, even after death. Lucky for us, humans rarely succumb to Cyphozoa, but some members of the closely related Cubozoa, such as the infamous box jelly, are more potent. Jellyfish also feature some of the longest animals on the planet. Species of the lion's mane jellyfish can grow to be longer than the blue whales even. Another amazing species, the immortal jellyfish, lives up to its name. If medusa of this species live to become old after breeding, they transform their cells into different kinds of cells to revert to their polyp stage, later aging back to a mature medusa.
And that's what jellyfish is.
And by any chance, why are they so important?
Many species of jellyfish eat fish, as you have unpleasantly learned. In most environments, though, they act as a way to stabilize the growth of fish versus the food of fish, such as photosynthesizing algae that provide food to the whole ocean. Jellyfish also serve as food for many slower marine animals, including many species of sea turtle and the huge sunfish. Lastly, via vertical migration for feeding and mating, jellyfish are one of the most potent mixers of the water column. This process allows for mixing of temperatures in water and, more importantly, bring nutrients in deep water up for a variety of plants and animals to use.
If they're so great, why are they a problem now then, man?
Unlike many marine animals, including the closely related coral, jellyfish actually chemically benefit from the effects of global warming. Ocean acidity is boosting their numbers, while simultaneously removing competitors. Additionally, one of the biggest variables that keeps jellyfish populations in check is, ironically, fish populations. Jellyfish larvae are often eaten by fish, and thus reducing the number that become adults. Despite this, overfishing has resulted in a positive feedback loop. More dying fish means more jellyfish adults to eat more fish, so that more jellyfish survive to adulthood. And as fish die, jellyfish turns toward other prey, as they lack any pickiness. It doesn't help that people seem to be really good at killing sea turtles in a variety of ways. Trash, accidental netting, and eating eggs. If only people in, for random example 2017, fought harder against global warming, turtle deaths, and overfishing practices.
Serious intruder to my home. Why don't we just get rid of them?
Well, you see, MC Jelly, it's not that easy. Many jellyfish actually live in very deep waters, and as stated before, they're still very important for our ecosystems.
Can we eat them?
Well, actually, you can. In many countries, especially Asian ones, like China and Taiwan, they actually will eat jellyfish. The problem is that they're flavorless, mostly water, so they cook them alongside many sauces.
So we can eat them.
Yes, but local fisheries won't take advantage of that, mainly because the toxins produced by jellyfishes make it very hard to produce jellyfish in mass, and also flavorless.
Now I'm out of everything. And this is going to be about my last plate of my favorite dish, fish and bread.
Well, maybe those fisheries should have listened to the climatologists and ecologists instead of their stacks of money, which are also now disappearing.
Is this going to be
Of course not. You can still eat fish. Just has to be jelly.